Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter Y. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर Y का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे। So trace your finger on letter Y. लेटर Y पर उंगली फेरें। Bravo! Shabash! The sound of letter Y is Y. 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 Letter Y की आवाज है Y. 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 Trace letter Y with a pencil. Letter Y पर पेंसिल फेरें। Shabash. Now we will read keywords from letter Y. अब हम लेटर Y से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे। य, यॉक, य, yacht, य, yellow, य, yo-yo, य, york, य, yacht, य, yellow, य, yo-yo. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें। शाबाश। Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें। Y letter, yawn, yawn, yawn.
Y letter, yarn, yarn, yarn.
Y letter, have some corn.
Y letter, have some corn.
Circle letter Y in the given letters. इन letters में Y के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं। Shabash. Connect yolk to the egg with the help of lines. Bravo! Now we will read letter story. Yahya is an energetic boy. He always changes his clothes after coming back from school. He loves to play yo-yo. He takes good care of his toys and keeps them clean and tidy. Dear teachers, discuss the picture with children. Introduce letter Y with phonic song. Ask children to name given Y words. Teacher will read the story to children and discuss good habits. Make yo-yo using low-cost and no-cost material. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words yo-yo, yellow, York, yak, yarn. When you throw yo-yo, it bounces back.